Starting a business can feel like a maze, right? Where do you even begin? What's the right order for setting up your domain, website, email, social media, and more? How do you decide what email and file systems you even use? And how do you start small but still build a foundation that can handle big growth? Imagine having a clear roadmap to success, a way to ensure that every step you take builds towards a strong, scalable business. Today, I want to introduce you to my fellow professional organizer and collaborator, Amy Payne. I will explain why we created the Small Business TNT templates for you small business owners who are just getting started or who want to streamline your systems to use as many Google tools as possible. Let us know what is one Google Workspace app that you already use for your business and how does it help you? Go ahead and share your experience in the comments below. And stick around to the very end because we will be sharing a fantastic free resource from Small Business TNT, the most requested template for small business owners to get you up and running faster. Our collaboration came out of a desire to give small business owners like you the tools to start their business with a solid foundation, to lessen the opportunity for mistakes and backtracking, and to ensure they can integrate and layer other software and systems as they grow. Amy Payne is a business owner, a professional organizer, and CRM expert. She has helped many business owners add a CRM to their tech stack, and it is definitely easiest when they have Google Workspace as their email service and business system. Why? Because Google Workspace integrates easily with all other software. In some cases, she has even sent clients to me first to help them migrate from other systems to Google Workspace before she sets them up with a CRM, because other systems don't integrate with CRMs nearly as well as Google. So you might as well use our Google Workspace setup checklist from the start and avoid major system changes later. First, let me explain what is included in Google Workspace so you know why so many people swear by it. All of its more than 20 apps together create an integrated business system, which leads to a smoother, more professional operation. Gmail provides a professional email address, robust spam filtering, a powerful search engine, email templates, and email marketing features, making it your central communication hub. Google Drive is a secure cloud-based digital storage for all document types, accessible from any device. It simplifies file sharing and collaboration. Google Docs and Sheets are content creation tools inside of your Drive. They are also collaborative, enabling real-time work, change tracking, and effortless version control. Google Forms are used to easily create surveys, feedback forms, or questionnaires. Forms generate summary charts, and data automatically populates into Google Sheets for easy analysis. Google Calendar and Meet allow you to plan your week, schedule and lead online client meetings, and share your availability, all ensuring a calm, organized day. Your free Google Business Profile increases local visibility on Google Search and Maps, while Google Analytics helps you understand your website traffic for data-driven growth. Google Admin Panel is your personal IT department for all app settings. And as your company grows, you can add user accounts and integrations, allowing you to build upon your solid Google Workspace foundation. Having so many tools within one system means that you save time and money, increase productivity, can stay easily organized, and can collaborate and communicate with your team and clients easily. By leveraging Google Workspace's integrated apps, you establish a professional, efficient, and scalable digital infrastructure from day one, avoiding systems that are duct taped together. Our Google Workspace setup checklist walks you through all of the setup steps. In addition, Amy Payne led the creation of TNT's ultimate business startup checklist to help you avoid some of the rookie mistakes and pitfalls we have seen other business owners make. One of the biggest challenges for any new entrepreneur is knowing what steps to begin with and ensuring you cover all your bases. Many business owners have more enthusiasm than experience and therefore jump in without a well-defined business plan or structured process. The TNT Business Startup Checklist provides a structured framework that guides you through every crucial step of launching your business, from legal requirements to initial marketing steps, saving you countless hours of researching what to do next. For instance, have you researched your business name before starting? How many domains do you already own? Have you set up a separate bank account yet? Did you say yes to that free email in whatever email system showed up on your screen first? Do not go into this blindly. The Small Business Startup Checklist will guide you and ensure your systems are set up for success and growth. As professional organizers who specialize in technology, Amy and I will tell you that it is very important that you keep track of your logins and passwords, as well as your business's money. There are complex systems and software to take care of these things, but you can also just start tracking this information in Google Sheets. That's why we've created templates for key business information and money tracking. As a small business owner, you need to keep track of lots of details: vendor contacts, license numbers, passwords, and software subscriptions. Keeping all of that organized is super important to avoid wasting time and energy. That's where the TNT Key Business Information Tracker comes in. It's a Google Sheet designed to centralize all of that critical data so you can find exactly what you need instead of digging through scattered info. Finally, accurately tracking business finances, especially early on, is crucial for small businesses and does not need to be complicated, especially at the beginning. If you haven't set up a business bank account yet, or are using a personal credit card to start your business, tracking your business finances is even more important. The money tracking spreadsheet within Small Business TNT is a Google Sheet template designed to make this simple. You can easily track your income, expenses, and categorize them for clear financial oversight. And because it's in a Google Sheet, you can easily track totals, share your finances with a bookkeeper or accountant when you get one, and keep everything contained in your Google Drive. To recap, by leveraging the power of the Small Business TNT checklists and Sheets templates, you can start your business with one cohesive system, as in setting up Google Workspace as the foundation of your business. You can save time by eliminating the daunting tasks of starting from scratch without a plan, and you can avoid the mistakes that come with that. You can set up your digital business systems correctly the first time, allowing for daily streamlined success and a foundation on which to build and layer future systems for growth. Are you ready to launch your business and Google Workspace stress-free? Both the small business version and the professional organizer version of Small Business TNT include these two checklists and 2 Sheets templates, plus a whole lot more. Created by 2 professional organizers whose specialties include a Google certified trainer and a CRM expert, these small business tools and templates are ready for you to use right now. Click the link below to get your complete bundle of checklists and templates. To get the most requested template from the TNT bundle, get the free sample client contract from our website. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to this channel for weekly videos on leveraging Google Workspace to streamline your small business operations. We look forward to helping you succeed.